Hi everyone, my name is V. Ram Kodeshwara, lecturer in commerce, BRR at Chambers Degree College, Palpal. Today I want to explain about issue of shares. This is the most important chapter in second BCom corporate accountancy. Okay, before going to that, I want to explain meaning of share. The share capital of a company divided into small units called shares. Shares issued to the public for subscription. So, what is the meaning of that? Whenever the company wanted to share capital, then the company issued shares for subscription. Okay? Once again, meaning of share. The share capital of a company is divided in small units called shares. Shares offered to the public for subscription. Okay. Next one. Issue of shares. It is classified two types. One. Issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Next one. Second one. Issue of shares for consideration of cash. First one is other than cash. Second one is cash. Okay. Issue of shares are classified into two types. One is issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Second one, issue of shares for consideration cash. First one. Okay, look at the first one. What is that? Issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Sometimes shares are issued in favor of promoters render their services at the time of commencement of business. Then the following general entries are to be passed. What is the general entry? It is goodwill account, debtor to share capital account. Goodwill account, debtor to share capital account. Look at the example very carefully. So the bank account never credited to share capital. Here the goodwill account to credited to share capital account. That's why this transaction is to be treated as issue of shares for consideration other than cash. I am telling you once again. Sometimes shares are issued to the promoters for services rendered by them at the time of promoting company. Then the following general entry is to be required. What is that? Goodwill account debtor to share capital account being shares are issued to promoters. Next one. Sometimes shares are issued to vendors for purchasing of assets. Sometimes shares are issued vendors for purchasing of assets. Then the following general entries entries are required. What are they? Okay, that is assets account data to vendors account being assets purchased from vendors. Next general entry. Vendors account data to share capital account. Vendors account data to share capital account. Look at this general entry also. Here also the share capital, the bank account never credited to share capital account. That's why the two transactions, the two incidents is to be treated as issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Okay, once again I am telling you that the two situations are first situation. What is the first situation? For example, the issue of shares to the promoters. Why the shares are issued to the promoters means here the services rendered by them. The services rendered by them at the time of promoting company, then for that the shares are issued to the promoters, then the following general entry is to be possible. What is that? Goodwill account data to share capital account. And sometimes shares are issued to the vendors. Okay, sometimes shares are issued to the vendors for purchasing of assets. Then the following general entries are to be possible. First is assets account data to vendors account being assets purchased from vendor. Next one, vendors account data to share capital account being shares issued to vendors. Okay, next one. Second situation, issue of shares for consideration cash. Issue of shares for consideration cash. This is also classified in two types. First one, second situation is issue of shares for consideration cash. This is also classified two types. One is the total amount of share collected in single installment. Next one, the total amount of share collected in installment basis. First one, the total amount of share collected in single installment. When the total amount collected in single installment, then the following general entries is to be possible. What is that? Bank account data to share application account being share application money received. Next, share application account data to share application account data to share capital account. Share capital account. Okay. Issue of shares for consideration of cash. Issue of shares for consideration of cash also be classified into two types. One, the amount of share, that means the total amount of share collected in single installment, then the following journal entries are to be necessary. First one is bank account debtor to share capital account, application account. Next one, share application account debtor to share capital account. The two journal entries is required when the amount of share, the full amount of share collected in single installment. And second one, the total amount of share, the total amount of share collected from public, okay, in installment basis, then it is namely one share application. The installments are namely one share application amount, second one share allotment amount, third one share calls amount. Okay, if the total amount of share value collected from the public in installment basis, the installments are namely, first one is share application amount, second one is share allotment amount, third one is share calls amount. Okay, for model journal entries for this, each and every transaction has required two journal entries. First of all, the share application required two journal entries. Second one, the allotment money also may require two journal entries. Third one, the calls amount also required two journal entries. Okay, for share application amount, the journal entries are like this. Model journal entries. Model journal entries. First one, for share application amount. Okay, when application money received, then the following journal entry required. What is that? Bank account debtor to share application account. Direction being share application money, being share application money received. Next journal entry, share application money transfers to share capital account. When share application money transfers to share capital account, the journal entry share application account debtor to share capital account, being share application money transfer to share capital account. Next one, for allotment necessary two general entries. What is that? First one, when allotment money due. Okay, when allotment money due, share allotment accounts deduct to share share capital account being allotment money due. Next, when allotment money received, then the following general entry required. What is that? Bank account deduct to share allotment account. Share allotment account being allotment money received. Being allotment money received. Next general entry is for calls amount. Okay, next general entry is for calls amount. If it is first call amount, the general entry is to be followed like this. If it is first call amount, the general entry is to be followed like this. Share first call account deduct to, that means share first call amount due. Share first call account deduct to share capital account being share first call amount due. Next, first call amount received. Next, first call amount received. The following general entry is to be required. What is that? Bank account deduct to share first call account. Share first call account. Narration being share first call amount received. If it is second call, there is no another cause, then the following general entry is required. Only second call is there. There is no another cause. Okay. So then the following general entry is required. For second call amount due. For second call amount due, the following general entry is to be passed. What is that? Share second. There is no another cause. That's why second and final call account deduct to share capital account being second and final call amount due. Next, whenever the second and final call amount received, this is the last general. bank account that are to share second and final call account, being second and final call amount received. So these are all the model journal entries for issue of shares. For issue of shares, collected the total amount of share in installment basis. Okay. For application required 2 journal entries. For allotment required 2 journal entries. For first call amount required 2 journal entries, and second call amount required 2 journal entries. So these are all the model journal entries whenever the share amount collected in installments basis. Next one, terms of issue. Okay, terms of issue classified 3 types. One is shares issued at par. Second one is shares issued at premium. Third one is shares issued at discount. Okay, first one is shares issued at par. First one is shares issued at par. Okay, every share has a face value. Every share has a face value. Okay, if share issued at their face value, then it is said to be shares issued at par. Shares issued at par. For example, face value of a share. For example, face value of a share, rupees 10. Next, issuing price. Issuing price of share, rupees 10. That means issuing price is equals to its face value. Then it is said to be shares issued at par. Next one. Next one, shares issued at premium. Second one, shares issued at premium. Whenever shares are issued more than its face value, then it is said to be shares issued at premium. For example, face value of each share, face value of each share, rupees 10. Issuing price of share, rupees 12. That means, what is the meaning of that? Issuing price is more than of its face value. So the rupees 2 is to be treated as premium. Then it is said to be shares issued at premium. Once again, I am telling that shares are issued whenever the shares are issued more than of its face value, then it is said to be shares issued at premium. For example, the face value of each equity share, rupees 10, issuing price of share, rupees 12. Issuing price is more than of its face value. Okay, then it is said to be shares issued at premium. Next one, shares issued at discount. Third one, this is the terms of of issues. Shares issued at discount. Shares issued at discount. Okay. Sometimes shares are issued lower than its face value. Then it is to be said that shares issued at discount. For example, face value, that means actual value. Face value of each equity share rupees 10. That means actual value of each equity share rupees 10, but issued at rupees 9. Rupees 9. The rupee 1 is to be treated as discount. Rupee 1 is to be treated as discount. So look at the board. The face value of each equity share rupees 10. Issuing price of each equity share rupees 9. That means issuing price is lower than its face value. Then it is said to be shares issued at discount. Once again, terms of issues. The terms of issue classified 3 types. First one, shares issued at par. Second one, shares issued at premium. Third one, shares issued at discount. First one, shares issued at par. Every share is of a certain price. That price is known as face value. That price is known as face value. If shares are issued at their face value, then it is said to be shares issued at par. If face value of if the share value, that means if the face value of each equity share rupees 10, issued also rupees 10, then it is said to be shares issued at par. Next one, shares issued at premium. If shares are issued more than of its face value, then it is said to be shares issued at premium. For example, face value of each equity share rupees 10, issued price of each equity share at rupees 12. Okay, that means here the issuing price is more than of its face value. Then it is said to be shares issued at premium. Next one, shares issued at discount. Okay, shares issued at a discount means here sometimes shares are issued lower than of its face value. Then it is said to be shares issued at discount. For example, the face value of each equity share rupees 10, issued at rupees 9. The difference 1 rupee is to be treated as a discount here. Okay, that means what is the meaning of this? Issuing price is lower than of its face value. Then it is said to be shares are issued at discount. These are the terms of issues. Before concluding, I want to explain important points this topic. Okay, issue of share. Okay, meaning of share. The meaning of share means here the share capital of a company divided into small units. The share capital of a company divided into small units, that is called shares. Shares are offered to the public for subscription. Shares are offered to the public for subscription. Okay, issue of shares. Issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Okay, issue of shares for consideration other than cash. Sometimes shares are issued to the promoters for render their services at the time of promoting company. then the following journal entry is required. What is that? Goodwill account to share capital account. And sometimes shares are issued to the vendors for purchasing of assets. Then the following journal entries are required. What is that? Assets account to vendors account. Next one, vendors account to share capital account. So look at these two transactions. The bank account never credited to equity share capital account. That's why the transaction is to be treated as issue of shares for consideration other than cash. And next one, issue of shares for consideration cash. This is classified into two types. One is if the full amount of share collected in single installment. If the full amount of share collected in single installment, then the following journal entry is required. What is that? Bank account to equity share application account. Next one, equity share application account to equity share capital account. Next, second one, if the full amount of share, if the full amount of equity share collected in installment basis, namely that installments are namely first one, equity share application account, equity share allotment account, equity share first call account, and there is no another calls for second call. After second call, equity share second and final call amounts. The installments are namely first one is share application account, second one share allotment account, third one share first call account, fourth one share and second and final call account. The installments are called like that. Okay, mode of journal entries. Each and every transaction has necessary two journal entries. When application money received, bank account to equity share application account. Next, when application money transferred to equity share capital account, equity share application account to equity share capital account. Second one, when allotment money due, equity share allotment account to equity share allotment account. When allotment money received, bank account to equity share allotment account. Next one, when first call money due, equity share first call account to equity share capital account. When first call amount received, bank account to equity share first call amount. When second and final call amount due, equity share second and final call amount to equity share capital account. When second and final call amount received, bank account to equity share second and final call amount. These are the model journal entries. Okay, next one, terms of issues. The terms of issues is to be classified three types. One is shares issued at par, shares issued at a discount, shares issued at premium. Shares issued at par means every share is of a certain price. That price is known as face value. That price is known as face value. When the shares are issued at their face value, then it is to be said that shares issued at par. Next one, shares issued at premium. When shares are issued more than of its face value, then it is said to be shares issued at premium. Next one, next third one, shares issued at discount. Sometimes shares are issued lower than of its face value. Then it is said to be shares issued at discount. Shares issued at discount. So these are all the terms of issued. So this is the conclusion for issue of shares. Okay.